Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. Here is your mathematics teacher Muhammad Amjad Saeed from Pakistan International School, Qatar, Saudi Arabia. And in 9th class, we will continue our lecture number 14. And last time we started our exercise 9.1, and we have proved this formula according to given information that P was a point on x-axis with x coordinate A. Q is a point on y-axis with y coordinate as B. So we have applied the formula, distance formula, and found the answer PQ mod is equal to A square plus B square. And we have solved, I think, first two parts. After that, we can take part number 5. Part number 5, A is equal to 2 under root and B is equal to 1. We have to find the distance formula using values in formula PQ mod is equal to A square by B square under root 2 under root square plus 1 square whole under root. Remember that this 2 and under root cancelled out, 2 plus 1, that is 3 under root. That's your answer. Similarly, we can take part number 6 as A is equal to minus 9 and B is equal to minus 4. Applying the formula PQ mod is equal to A square plus B square under root minus 9 square and minus 4 square whole under root. Remember that this square will make it positive. And 9 square is 81 and here is 16. So it will be 97 under root. So this is the way how to find the distance between the 2 points. After that, dear students, we have our next exercise. In next exercise, we will apply frequently the distance formula, this one formula. And remember that if the triangle has all the 3 sides equal and angles are equal, that is known as equilateral triangle. If in a triangle 2 sides are equal and 2 opposite angles are equal, that is known as isosceles triangle. Similarly, in case of the triangle with all different sides, that is known as scalene triangle. Similarly, you know that in case of right angle triangle, one angle is of 90 degree, and in that case Pythagoras theorem is applicable. Pythagoras theorem is applicable. The points are collinear if they lie on the same line. For example, this is a point P, this is Q, and this is R. They are known as collinear points, and in case of collinear points, PQ mod plus QR mod must be equal to PR mod. Suppose if this is 3 and this is 2, what will be total? That will be 5. These points are known as collinear points if the distance of PQ and QR added to get PR. They are collinear points, and otherwise non-collinear points. So in case of parallelogram, you know that opposite sides are equal in length, and remember that in case of parallelogram and in case of rectangle, one is common property. In case of rectangle and parallelogram, one property is common, that opposite sides are equal in parallelogram and rectangle also. But in case of parallelogram and rectangle, length of diagonals are not same. I am repeating again. In case of rectangle, length of diagonals are same. In case of parallelogram, length of diagonals are not same. This is the point. You must understand that one. And in case of circle, the distance from the center to any point on the circle, that is known as radius. And double of the radius is known as diameter of the circle. So in this way, in exercise 9.2, we are given by the reduced syllabus question number 1, 3, 6, 9 and 10. Exercise 9.2, question number 1, 3, 6, 9, 10. One, 3, 6, 9, 10. Question number 1, 3, 6, 9 and 10. These are the questions by with the help of reduced syllabus issued by Federal. So inshallah we will do these questions. First of all, show whether the points with vertices are the vertices of an equilateral triangle or an isosceles triangle. Remember that if all three sides are equal, then it is equilateral. If two sides are equal, then it will be isosceles triangle. Question number 1. Show that whether the points 5 minus 2, 5 and 4, minus 4 and 1 are vertices of equilateral or isosceles triangles. First of all, to get the better idea before solution of answer, draw a rough sketch. Remember that, dear students, remember that rough sketch is not given in your question. But rough sketch, sometimes rough sketch give you the answer, the idea about the answer before solving. So that's why it is better to draw rough sketch. And then we will make use of that rough sketch. 5 and minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 and 2. Suppose it is A, 5 and minus 2. The next is 5 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Positive. 5 and 4. This may be taken as B. And the third one is minus 4, 1. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and this is 1. Suppose this is C. Minus 4 and 1. Join them. This is your rough sketch. This is your rough sketch of given vertices of triangle. Now we have to show that whether it's an equilateral or isosceles. Remember that if AB mod, BC mod, CA mod, they are all equal, it will be equilateral. If two sides AB or BC or BC or AC, they are equal, then we will have isosceles triangles. We have to prove with the help of distance formulas. Very easily, you will know about this formula. AB mod, what is it about AB mod? I told you B minus A. AB mod, B minus A. First minus first whole square. First minus first whole square. Plus second minus second whole square whole under root. Take the same order. B minus 4 minus into minus 2 whole square. This is cancel out 0 square, and this will be 4 plus 2 whole square whole under root. That is 6 square whole under root. That is 6. Here is 6. That was AB mod, B minus A. First minus first whole square, second minus second whole square, whole under root. After that we have BC mod. BC mod. First minus first whole square, minus 4 minus 5 whole square, plus second minus second whole square. 1 minus 4 whole square whole under root. Minus 9 square and minus 3 square whole under root. 81 plus 9, that will be 90 under root. Here is 90 under root. That is BC mod. And then CA mod. CA mod. What about CA mod? Mean A minus C. First minus first whole square. 5 minus into minus 4 whole square. Plus second minus second whole square. Minus 2 minus 4 whole square. Whole under root. 5 first minus first whole square plus 4, that is 9 square. 5 plus 4 square, and here is minus what is this? I have written that. This was 1. Minus 2 minus 1 whole square. That is minus 3 whole square. Whole under root. 9 square and plus minus 3 square whole under root. It will be 81 plus 9 under root, that is 90 under root. Dear students, you can check. BC mod is equal to 90 under root. CA mod is equal to 90 under root. The two sides are equal and third is different. So what you suggest? Your given data is an isosceles triangle. Hence, isosceles triangle is your answer. Isosceles triangle. S AB mod is not equal to BC mod is equal to CA mod. Two sides are equal, therefore triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. This is your conclusion. After that, we have question number 3. Show whether the points are vertices of right triangle. Question number 3. 1, 3, 4, 2 and minus 2, 6. Question number 3. 1, 3, 4, 2, minus 2, 6. 1, 3, 4, 2. And minus 2 and 6 are vertices of right triangle or not. This is your question number 3. Again, dear students, again you draw a rough sketch. 1 and 3, this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3. Then 4 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 and 2. 4, 2. Minus 2 and 6. Minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 2 and 6. You join them. I told you that sometimes before solving your question, you got the idea by the rough sketch. So that's why I am insisting that you always draw a rough sketch of these questions. Now you can check. It will not be a right angle triangle, definitely. But if it is a right angle triangle, the length of the sides will be such that any two sides will satisfy Pythagoras theorem. Satisfy Pythagoras theorem. Here is, suppose I am taking this A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, AB mod is equal to first minus first whole square plus second minus second whole square. 3 square plus minus 1 square whole under root. 9 plus 1, that is 10 under root. And BC mod C minus B. First minus first whole square plus second minus second whole square whole under root. Minus 6 square and 4 square. This will be 36 and 16. This will be 52 under root. Then CA mod. CA mod. First minus first whole square plus second minus second whole square whole under root. 1 plus 2 square and minus 3 square whole under root. 3 square and minus 3 square under root. It will be 9 plus 9 under root is equal to 18 under root. Dear students, you can check. BC is the largest value. If it is to be a right angle triangle, then BC mod square must be equal to AB mod square plus CA mod square. As BC mod square is equal to AB mod square plus CA mod square, then instead of if BC mod square is equal to AB mod square plus CA mod square, then triangle ABC will be a right triangle. Now what about BC mod square? 52 under root square. AB mod square is 10 under root square. Then it will be 18 under root square. This is 52 is equal to 10 plus 18. This is 28 is equal to 52. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Dear students, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, triangle ABC is not a right triangle. Triangle ABC is not a right triangle. Hence, triangle ABC is not a right triangle. That was your question number 3. Now after that we have question number 6. Use the distance formula to verify that the points are collinear. Question number 6. Verify by distance formula. By using distance formula to verify that points are collinear. 0, 7, 3 minus 5. 0, 7, 3 minus 5, that is point B. And C is minus 2, 15. Minus 2 and 15. Minus 2 and 15. I told you draw the rough sketch. Here is 0, 7. This is x-axis. And here is y-axis. 0, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is 0, 7. Here this is A. What about B? 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 and minus 5. This is B. C is minus 2 and 15. This is minus 1, minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Minus 2 or 15. This is C. Join them. You have the graph paper. It will be exact straight line. Definitely. It will be like that. Clearly, all the points are coming on the same line. If BC is equal to AB mod plus AC mod, then the points will be collinear like that. This is the collinear point conditions. So what about AB mod? AB mod is 3 minus 0 whole square minus 5 minus 7 whole square. That will be 3 square and minus 12 square. This will be 9 plus 144, 153 under root. Then here is AB mod, then BC, AB mod and then AC mod. What about AC mod? Minus 2 minus 0 whole square, 15 minus 7 whole square whole under root, 4, and this will be 15 minus 7 is 8, 8 is 64, that will be 68. After that we have BC mod. BC mod, what about that BC mod? Minus 2 minus 3 whole square and then 15 minus plus 5 whole square whole under minus 5 square and this 20 square. This will be 25 plus 400, that will be 425 under root. BC mod is first minus first whole square, minus 2 minus 3 whole square, then 15 plus 5 whole square, 425. Now you can check that it will be 425 under root, and if you simplify addition of these numbers, what is 425? Here is 5 8 the 45 5 the, then 5 1 the 5 and 5 17 the. So it will be 5 into 17 under root. It will be 5 into 17 under root. And 153 under root can be 153, 3 5 the and 51 and 3 1 the 3 3 7 the. It will be 3 into 17 under root. Definitely it will be 2 into 17 under root. Yes. So now you check that. BC mod is equal to AB mod plus AC mod. What will be? As this is our conclusion now. As BC mod is equal to AB mod plus AC mod. What was BC mod? 5 into 17 under root. This is 3 into 17 under root plus 2 into 17 under root. 17 under root take common, 3 plus 2. That will be 5 into 17 under root. So this is left hand side is equal to the right hand side, hence points are collinear. Yes, points are collinear. So this is the way how to confirm your answer. Dear students, that was your question number 6. After that, question number 9. Show that the points M and P, Q are the vertices of parallelogram. Find the length of the diameter of circle having center at C minus 3, 6 and passing through the point. Question number 10. Here is a circle. This is P. C is the center of the circle, minus 3, 6. And P is 1, 3. You know that what is the radius is equal to Cp mod. Radius is Cp mod. What is the diameter? Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Double of the radius, 2 into Cp mod. What about Cp mod? First minus first, whole square, plus second minus second, whole square, whole under root. 2 into 1 plus 3 square, and it will be minus 3 square. 2 into 4 square plus 3 square. 2 into 16 plus 9. 2 into 16 plus 9 under root being 25 under root. 2 into 5 is 10. This is your answer. Diameter of the circle whose center is minus 3, 6 and point on the circle is 1, 3. That is the double of the radius equal to 10 centimeter. I hope that you got this point and you understood, and inshallah we will do it. Okay, Allah Hafiz and Assalamu alaikum.